Pia and the Magic ABC Door. Pia the mouse woke up early. The sun was up. The air smelled fresh. Pia was happy. Pia had a plan. Pia would find the Magic ABC Door. The door had special sounds. "This will be so fun," said Pia. "I need a friend to help." Pia ran to the meadow. She saw Max the monkey. Max was swinging on a tree. "Max, come with me. We are going to find the Magic ABC Door." "Magic sounds? I want to help," said Max. He jumped down. They walked and walked. Soon, they saw a dark cave. The cave looked big and spooky. The door glowed a little. "Do you hear that?" said Max. "It is a strange sound." "That must be the letter A," said Pia. "A is for apple." "A. Sounds like
Ah.
a shiny letter A floated in the air. Pia and Max said the sound. A, A.
Ah. Ah. Ah.
They walked on. Another letter glowed in the dark. It was B. "B is for bat," said Max. They said it together. "B, B, B. It sounds like..."
B. B. B.
More letters lit up the cave. Pia and Max found new sounds. "C is for cat."
K. K. K.
D is for dog.
D. D. D.
E is for egg.
Eh. Eh. Eh.
F is for fish. Suddenly, they heard a loud noise. "What is that?" said Pia. Her tail twitched. "It's the Magic ABC Door," shouted Max. The door sparkled. They ran to it, but the door was locked. "Look," said Pia. She pointed to a sign. "We must continue saying all the sounds to open it." Point to the letter, then listen and say the sound.
A. B. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. O. N. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. A. V. W. X. Y. Z.
Click! The door opened. Bright lights sparkled everywhere. Inside were shiny letters. The letters danced in the air. They made happy sounds. "We did it," said Pia. She smiled big. "We found the magic sounds. Now we can share the sounds with everyone," said Max, jumping happily